project leader for the receiving department here at Loewen Windows. I wanted to share with you a continuous improvement idea that was brought forward by one of the assembly group leaders. So currently we get paint samples. We have paint samples in every single department of all of our standard colors. The only thing that we're missing was the custom color chips. So anytime that we had a discrepancy online and we wanted to validate a specific color, we would have to call, assembly would have to call metal receiving department, and we would have to send an inspector out to assembly just to validate a color match. So what we've done is we've worked with our purchasing department to order an extra 20 samples every time that custom color comes in. And what we would do is then we added a custom color chip board. For each department, we've added a color chip. So when the material handlers come and pull the material out of the staging area, they would come and pick up their cart, they would come to the wall, they would grab their color chip and bring it to the department. It's then held in their fab areas where they always have access to it, and they no longer have to call metal receiving to walk way the heck out there, walk all the way back just to do a color match. So we saved steps, eliminated some waste, and it was a quick CI, and worked together as a team to get it done. Thanks for watching.